Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a good application called application launcher. I will put the link into the description. So what this application will do, if you have a multiple projects and you want to switch one application or one project to another project in a very quick way, then this application is for you. Let's start it. It's a very simple and uh, easy to use application. First of all, you need to add your uh, directory or parent directory where your application is. Let's say I'm going to select one folder. These all are my applications. Let's say, okay, let's say I want to add another application folder where some of the other applications are also included. So I will go to my destination folder. Let's say I am going to add a new application. Well, that is the one. Okay, so I had all the application in my list. So uh, what this application provide you, well, you can pin your most working application, like if I'm working on a application like blood donor or any application like attendance or let's say blockchain application, right? So I just pin them and it will appear on the top of the window. If I want to unpin any application, I can just unpin it. If I want to remove any application from a list for the time being, I just remove that, right? And if I want to restore all the applications which are removed, I just restore them and it will appear on the bottom of the list, right? So one is the key feature is that it has a default VS Code extension. If you want to launch your application with VS Code, just click on the VS Code and it will open the VS Code with the application. Well, let's say I have a very huge application there. So let's load it and I will show you another thing, that is I have a application and or you can say a directory in which I have a text file. So if I want to set another application for my project, let's say I know that this is a text file and I don't need VS Code or any IDE to open it. I just want to open it with text editor. So what will I do? I set custom application, right, and go into my Windows and just select our notepad for it. So it will appear here, which is the application you have selected, will appear on the button. Just click it and it will open your directory or your application into the define or set application, which I have set as a notepad. So this application is very convenient when you are working with the multiple projects. If I am working with that project and I want to open another project, I don't need to go that particular directory and open it, or I don't need to start any IDE then locate the path and open it in that application. I just click here and it will open in a VS Code, or if I have set any other application like Visual Studio or a rider or any other application, I just set that application from that button and redirect the application, and it will set that application to that path. And whenever you want to open the same application into custom application or defined application, you just click on it and it will open that project into that application. Or you can also open that project with the VS Code. So this is I want to share with you. And one other thing is you can create a directory uh, into the defined parent directory. Like if I am working, I want to create an application directory into my parent directory, which is the all web application, then just I need to define a directory name, let's say test app, and I just select my directory, parent directory, which is that one, and just create it, and it will create the file for me. And let's search it, test app, and here it is. I can pin it and it will appear into my pin list. I can remove it from here and want to restore it, and it will appear again into my list. So these are the features of that application. I hope it might help you in some way. I will share the link into the description. Please go and check. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.